First-person narration, the telling of a story in the grammatical first person. In first-person narrative, the first-person pronouns refer both to the narrator, narrating I or narrating self, and to a character in the story experiencing I. If the narrator is the main character of the story, she or he is an I as protagonist. If she or he is one of the minor characters, she or he is an I as witness. First-person narrators are restricted to ordinary human repetition. They cannot be in the same places at the same time. They don't know what will happen in the future. They cannot, under ordinary circumstances, narrate the story of their own death, and they can never know for certain what other characters did